Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to check out another 1Mii product. It's a transmitter and receiver. Look at the size of this bad boy. It transmits and or receives. You have one or the other. It does come with a charging cable, Type-C by the way, and it does have a 3.5mm to 3.5mm pigtail. Okay, this is it. So if you want to transmit with this, you can transmit, or you can receive with this. Pretty great. You can also use an RCA if you want to use this, and it's portable. This is rechargeable. Also offers power if you want to use USB for Type-C, but you can plug in an RCA jack like this. You can plug this into a receiver just like the other one that we reviewed. This one model number is ML301, and the other one does the same thing, except that one only receives. This one can transmit and receive, so it's real simple to pair up. You have an on-off switch on the front here. It's either transmit, off, or receive. Simple. I like the fact that you can actually plug it in RCA-wise if you like. Also that pigtail, it's a great product, works really, really well. Doesn't offer that 3D enhancement type of thing like the other product, but for the size of this bad boy, you can have fun wherever you go if you're connecting to an older style receiver, or if you have a device that, I mean, I don't know anything nowadays that's not Bluetooth enabled, but if you do find something that isn't, these little products, these little guys will work really, really well. Right? These little guys will work great. And it's always great to have in your audio arsenal just in case you need it. You never know. You never know. You might have that old ProLogic receiver that your grandfather had back in the, back in the 90s, and he doesn't want to get rid of it. But you have the ability to actually upgrade it and add this to it so that he can actually get Bluetooth sent to the device or receive. It's a great little thing. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this bad boy. They're relatively inexpensive. Go get one today. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.